Hello friends, today I am going to explain this diagram how the computer works with the help of the CPU as well as another units like input unit, output unit as well as memory unit and secondary storage unit. Now start from keyboard and mouse. These both units are also called input units. Keyboard is also acting as input as well as mouse is also acting as input. And another one is disk, network, memory, and another one is GPU, memory and video output. Now I will start again from the keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse send the input towards the CPU for the further processing as a raw data, and the information is processed by the CPU into the meaningful way, right? And that is information is sent to the GPU, that is graphical processing unit, for the further processing, and then it displays the output to the monitor screen. Next one is disk. You are watching here, the arrow is bidirectional, which means that they both are depend upon each other as well as independent to control the activities of the system. So next one is network. Network means sharing the data as well as sharing of the hardware and other resources of the system, as the arrow is bidirectional, since they both are responsible for the activities or to perform the task on the system. And next one is the memory unit, as it consists of primary memory as well as secondary memory. As you are again watching here, the arrow is bidirectional, which means they both control the activities of the system, that is they store the data as well as retrieve the data with the help of each other and managing the data and acting as a manager by itself, these both units, right? And after that they will give the desired output to the user according to their performance or according to their desire, right? Next one is output unit. The main purpose of the output unit is to just fetch the data from the central processing unit, and then through the graphical processing unit it's sent to the memory unit of the output, and then it displays a meaningful output to the user on the monitor screen. So in this way the whole process works to monitor and to control the input activities, output activities of the system. But the main function or the main brain of the system is the central processing unit, which controls all the activities of the system. Means control the data from the input unit as well as output unit, from the disk as well as from the network resources also. So that's why we also call the brain of the computer system called the CPU. In the coming topics, we will learn more advanced about the uh, bits and bytes, that is memory units, that we already have even learned, but again in brief explanations we will further expand the topics of the computers, whatever is happening in the system step by step I will tell you, and I will also tell you about the another facts of the system with Windows explanation, right?